Hello table tutors, this is my See You Again set from my winter performance. Here we go. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some steps so that you can recreate this set. I'm going to split it into 3 different levels, one being the easiest, second one being the immediate version, and then the third one being the most advanced one. Let's go. Okay, so everyone's going to have different ways that they like to arrange their cue points, but I'm going to go through how I do it and how I can make it possible so I can do the set most efficiently. So I always like to have my kick, or the bass drum, at the beginning, the first cue point, because it's the easiest to hit. And then this one we don't use really, but it's just for. And I like to have my bass and my snare that I use one apart, so that I don't accidentally hit one. I'd rather hit this than hit this in place of the snare. And then I have my notes on the edge, also easy to hit. And this is the. Right there. And these two are right next to each other, so I can go between them really easily, and one separation between the snare. That's how I like to arrange them, but you can do whichever way you want. Okay, so you may have noticed I took my hoodie off, but it's all good. So now we're going to do the intro version, the first one, the simplest one of the bunch of the 3. And let's just begin. Okay, so that was the first version, not that bad. Here is the more intermediate version, and what we did last time is it was quite simple, not many baby scratches here. We either didn't do one on this side, like to get to the new part, but this time we're going to do them a bit faster, half time from the next one. It just adds a bit more flow to it, and then after, you'll notice I added some extra notes in some different areas where it can add some extra oomph, I guess you could say, to the rhythm in the end. So I'll do it here. And before we go into the hardest version, or the best one, I forgot to mention one thing that I did with the intermediate version, which was add scratches on this side, because I said I was gonna add some extra baby scratches here, which I did, and you can see it makes it sound a lot better. But here I forgot to say that I forgot to mention this kind of thing. And really, it's just putting a baby scratch anywhere, really. I like to put them there, but it just lengthens the note, but not making it sound like this. Just add some extra flow. You can put them wherever you want. but that's the technique I use. Okay, so for the final version, we're gonna do pretty much everything that we did in the intermediate version, just do a bit more of it, and I'm gonna add some breakdowns that I will break down after. So, okay, let's roll it. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any ideas or variations of this set that you have, feel free to share them with us on social media or anywhere else. And any other miscellaneous things are always welcome as well. Just tag Table Tutors. See ya.